Hi guys, I'm back again with a new video. So today I'm gonna show you how to restore your car's headlight. So in order to give this headlight a new look, we need this few tools or things here. Like we need this 2000 wet or dry sandpaper, and we need a rubbing compound, no matter what or which brand is it, and we need a buffer. Okay, so let's go and do it. So as you can see, it's all hazy because of UV lights and radiation maybe. Okay, so the first step is we need to wash it with water and sand it with our 2000 sandpaper, 2000 grit sandpaper, and after that we'll put some rubbing compound and rub it manually by our hand, and then we'll use the buffer. Okay. Just be careful on this paint. I would recommend you guys to put some tape on like the metal part so you won't sand or scratch your top coat. But yeah, it's simple as this. You just do it in circular motion and just put some little even and firm pressure while sanding. So next step is just wipe the excess water and apply this ultimate compound or rubbing compound. You can use Maguire's, Turtle Wax, or any other brand, whichever works for you best. Yeah, I'll do it manually first, and then I'll use the buffer. So now we'll just put a thin layer coating of this and just buff it with the buffer we have. So we'll start with the medium speed. Already has some. So as you can see the difference. Then gradually increase the speed. So guys, done the second coat of compound. So this is the end product. So I'll show you at the same time the The other one, it's not yet done, so you can see the difference. So this is pretty simple and easy. I think you can do this within like 15-20 minutes if you have all the tools and products need to be used. So this is the other side. See, all hazy and yellowish tint, and this side it's crystal clear. Okay, I'll do this other side as well and show you both the end result of this. So guys, as you can see, I'm all done and you can see the difference before and after. This is pretty simple, you can do it by yourself. So guys, thank you again for watching. See you in next video. Take care.